It's estimated that 98% of basements will incur water damage during their lifespans. So unless you're really lucky, your basement will flood at some point. Stay tuned to find out what you should do if your basement floods. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Basement flooding can have many different causes. First, you must determine if it's hydrostatic pressure or a burst pipe. In this video, I'll explain the best practices for removing the water, how you should clean your basement, and tell you how you might prevent basement flooding. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. This depends a little bit on how much water you have. Some pumps are the best way to get a large amount of water out of your basement quickly. Whether you have a pit to set those pumps in or you can set those directly on your basement floor. Now, if you just have water seepage onto your carpet but not necessarily standing water to take out your sump pump, then getting fans and dehumidifiers on that area to start drying that out is going to be very important. When water intrudes into your carpet, your drywall, even the insulation in your wall, or any other surface, when it's allowed to sit there in a moist environment, mold and biological growth can start to develop. So cleaning these surfaces should be a #1 priority. So aside from a water line breaking or a sewer line or backup of a drain, your basement's going to give you some signs that it's about to leak. Whether that's small seepage around the walls and the floors, the paint bubbling on the block basement wall, things like that are going to start giving you signs that the seal has been compromised around your basement, and with one more big rain, it could start to flood, and you could start to see flooding. So make sure that you're paying attention to what your house is telling you, so that you can get out in front of it with a water drainage to prevent the flooding from happening. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your basement flooding? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.